Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see by the title, we are making a spiked coffee hot cocoa. Like, I need energy, but I need to also be a little twizzy type feel. You know what I'm saying? Especially after you ate a nice meal and you want some coffee afterwards. Because there's a lot of people who like coffee as a dessert, right? So this will be a great dessert for after dinner. Christmas dinner when you're with your family before y'all start getting lit and doing karaoke and all that. You know what I'm saying? I come up with all of the... I'm so innovative. Okay, anyway, so this is the products we're going to be using. This is an Irish cream bomb. It's a hot cocoa bomb. You see this Nespresso pod. This is the Hazellino muffin. And we forgot what we using to spike it up. We gonna spice it up with it. You know what I'm saying? This is the Bailey's s'mores. My husband said this would have been a good idea to use. And then we're going to use this creamer. This shit is real dairy. This is not non-dairy, but for my people who like dairy, you can use this coffee creamer. It's the peppermint mocha flavor. This is for my people who like dairy and lactose intolerant. So I can't use this. So let me show you what else I'm going to use for the people who can't have dairy. For my people who cannot have dairy, this is a great opportunity for you to try this Milkadamia. It's white chocolate peppermint. It's a creamer or a drink, like a milk drink or whatever. Okay, white chocolate peppermint. This is the brand. I got it from Sprouts, so I'm gonna make mine with this because I can't. And then for my people who non-dairy again, we got the Reddi whip with almond milk. I just love that we have options now. Oops, aren't they cute, guys? These are a little Christmas tree marshmallows to make it aesthetically pleasing and yummy, yummy, yummy to your tummy. And then we have these chocolate spoons for our hot chocolate. Or you can use a candy cane spoon. So let's get started. So now we put the bomb in there and the coffee is going over the bomb. There it goes. You see? See it came up. See the chocolate? Ooh, you see the marshmallows? You see that chocolate? Okay. This is the frother. It's a warming frother. We're gonna use this to make the creamy part with the chocolate to add more chocolate to it. So we're gonna add this Milkadamia in it. Not a lot, just enough for the coffee because it's already kind of like overflowing. And then we're gonna add the hot chocolate. Not the whole thing because we're only putting a little bit. We're gonna put some of this in it. Yeah. Okay. Or maybe a little bit more for good luck. And then we're gonna close it up and we're gonna mix it. So it's mixing up all the chocolate, the peppermint milk, Milkadamia milk, which is vegan, and some of this Bailey's s'mores is all in there, and we're gonna mix it with our coffee. This is the gingerbread. It's like a crispy wafer cubes. It has gingerbread flavored cream filling. It's like those little wafers that we used to eat back in the day, like the strawberry ones, vanilla ones, chocolate ones. They're like squared like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm gonna put it in my little thing right here. I'm gonna crush it up because I'm gonna use the crushed up part to put on top of, I'm gonna put it on top of the whipped cream. I'm gonna just crush that up. See? Yummy. Smell the liquor. And it's liquoring. Of the bomb that I put in here. Maybe not. Oh, and you need to be 21 or older. Ooh, yes. Honey, honey, sugar, sugar. We don't even need to really add any. Let me taste it. We don't even need to add any sugar because the chocolate is chocolating, okay? I think it needs a little bit more, guys.
Ooh.
Okay. And then, now we're ready. Now, we are going to take this Reddi whip. I'm gonna shake it like this. Shake it like a sauce, shake it like a sauce. And then we're gonna, ta-da! Ouch. Don't get that. Okay. Then we're going to add a little bit of the wafers at the top. Ooh, sucky, sucky, now. Thank me later. Ask about me. We're gonna take a marshmallow. Put a marshmallow there. I'm gonna take one of these chocolate spoons, just in case you want a little bit more chocolate. Oh. And then we can put the spoon right here. Who did that? Who? My vegan people, my vegan lovers, and people who do not drink dairy or deal with dairy because they're lactose intolerant, this is the spiked hot chocolate you need to have at your holiday gathering. It's giving everything. It has all the Christmas tastes in there, along with the liquoring. Let me get you one of these. Anyway, the ingredients are down below if you weren't able to follow exactly what I did in the video. The ingredients are down below. It's also linked on where you can purchase them. And if you want more videos like this, let me know down below. Talk to your girl. Let your girl know you watching. But make sure you subscribe. Hit that bell so that you are aware when I post new videos. Like anything else, thank you for watching, and make sure you follow your girl. I said that already. Damn, oh God. Okay, anyway, have a great day. Bye-bye.